Welcome to the C coding tutorial guys. In this tutorial we will learn the use of if statement. In this video tutorial we will do a task using the if statement in which user has to guess the correct number, which is 12, and whenever the user enter correct number, this line will get display. Congratulations, you have entered correct number. So let's do this task. On first line I'm writing a comment using these two double slashes, and I'm writing the title of the task, which is congratulate user on entering the correct number. And now let's write the code. First I am importing the standard input output library, so I'm writing hash include stdio.h, and after that I'm writing here the main function, which is int main, and in between these curly brackets we use to write our code. So I'm writing this return 0, which we use to write at end of the code. And here I'm going to define the variable first. So as comment I am typing here variables, and on the next line I'm going to define a variable int x, and at the end of the line we use to type semicolon. And after that we are going to take the user input, and for that I am going to type here printf, and in between these brackets and inverted commas I am typing as enter a number. And on the next line I'm going to type scanf, and in between these brackets and inverted commas I'm typing %d, which is a format specifier for integer data type, and x variable which we have defined earlier. Now let's run this code in order to see if the code is working fine for taking the user input, and it is working fine. And now let's write the code such that if the user enter a number, let's suppose 12, and then the user gets congratulations message. So I'm writing here a comment verify the correct number, and here I'm going to use the if statement. So we write if, and here in these brackets we use to type x equal 12. X is the variable which we have defined earlier, and x equal 12 means that if the user enters 12, then this message should display. So I'm writing this in the curly brackets printf congratulations, you have entered correct number. So this is basically in between the block of if statement. And now let's run this code. We have to make sure that if the user enter incorrect number, then nothing should display. So intentionally I am writing here incorrect number 10. Now let's run this code again, and I'm entering here another incorrect number, and now let's write the correct, which is 12. And as you can see, the congratulation line has been displayed for entering the correct number. So that's how we use the if statement, and in the next video I will show you how to use the else statement. See you in the next video guys.